Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Frederick, Director of Jury Research Services at the National Legal Research Group, and I'm here with another tip in our series, Mastering Group Voir dire. And this tip is capitalize on initial hand raising. Now, in group voir dire, particularly in groups, medium-sized groups to large groups, we rely heavily on jurors raising their hands in response to questions. Now, what we want to do is start off the very beginning and break the ice for jurors. Get them involved, get them raising their hands at the very beginning so they're more comfortable with it. Now, the way we approach this is one of two ways. One is both of them involve the initial hand raising. The first way of doing it, if you feel comfortable, is to take a somewhat folksy approach. That is, you tell jurors, over the course of the years, I've talked to jurors and they tell me, one of the hard things for them is that first time they have to raise their hands. So why don't we help out our fellow jurors here and everybody raise their hands? And what you'll see is that all the jurors will raise their hands. Some of them may chuckle, others may look at you a little bit suspiciously, but that's good information. And if you feel comfortable with doing that, I recommend you do it. However, if you're not comfortable with it, take the second approach. And that's where we ask them a question where everybody should raise their hands. For example, jury service. What are the qualifications for jury service? Well, how many of you are U.S. citizens? Please raise your hands. Okay, how many of you have lived in the community for 6 months or more? Another qualification, jury service. We're not so much concerned with the answer. Of course, they need to qualify for jury service, but we're really having them engage in the behavior of raising their hands. And as a result of initial hand raising, you're going to find that they're going to be more active and more likely to raise their hand with your questions in later voir dire. So capitalize on initial hand raising and you'll have a more effective voir dire. That is today's tip, and good luck with your next jury selection.